Imagine a garden where roots grow in spirals, water floats in glistening orbs, and petals stretch in all directions like curious explorers. This isn't a dream, it's the beginning of a new frontier. Welcome to the Zero-Gravity Gardens, floating life in deep space. Our journey begins aboard the Halcyon, a next-generation bioship orbiting a binary star system in the Perseus Arm. The vessel itself is a living structure, grown from engineered cellulose and alloyed with smart materials that adapt to light and temperature. It's a greenhouse, a habitat, and a laboratory, all drifting in the vacuum of space. Inside, the garden defies gravity. There is no soil in rows, no neat flower beds. Instead, clusters of plant life hover midair, cradled in transparent spheroids or woven into helixes that twist gently in the artificial atmosphere. Roots reach outward, seeking moisture beads that drift like tiny moons. Light panels simulate a rotating sun cycle, bathing everything in soft hues: amber dawns, azure afternoons, and violet dusk. The air smells of basil, mint, and strange alien pollens. It is rich with oxygen, refreshed continuously by the plants themselves. Bees engineered for zero-gravity drift from flower to flower, their wings barely needing effort. In the absence of up or down, the very concept of growth becomes poetic. Vines curl in slow spirals. Broad leaves float like sails catching invisible currents. You move through the garden not by walking but by pushing gently against the walls. It's like swimming through a floral dreamscape. Around you are hundreds of species, some brought from Earth, others bio-designed specifically for space. Transparent strawberries, photosynthetic algae that glow with every touch, cacti that collect cosmic radiation and store it like sunlight. In one chamber, there are mushrooms that grow upside down from glass domes, their mycelium forming delicate lace networks. In another, orchids bred with bioluminescent genes pulse softly in time with the ship's orbit. Every plant here serves multiple purposes: food, air, medicine, data. You pass a section known as the Spiral Grove, a rotating tunnel where spiraling vines form the walls themselves. Here, data farming plants transmit photosynthesis levels to AI cores, monitoring plant mood and stress. Some plants hum faintly, modulating vibrations that suggest primitive communication or feedback. But this isn't just beauty, this is survival. Zero-gravity gardens are humanity's testbed for long-term space living. In deep space, sustainability isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. These gardens recycle waste, purify air, and feed both body and mind. The AI steward named Solace guides you through the deeper chambers. It explains how space-grown plants adapt rapidly through epigenetics. It shows a chamber where seedlings float in magnetic pods exposed to varying gravity simulations. Some thrive, others twist into forms never seen before. In another section, Solace projects a hologram of Earth contrasting traditional agriculture with this new ecosystem. There are no plows here, no seasons, no pests, only evolution sculpted by light, magnetism, and thought. You pause beside a flower you've never seen, its petals translucent, its scent like a memory you can't place. Solace says it's a hybrid of lavender and comet dust-resistant moss, engineered to bloom only in deep space. It doesn't just survive the vacuum. It sings in it. And then you reach the meditation pod, a spherical dome surrounded by gently pulsing plant life. Here you float in total silence, oxygenated and weightless, surrounded by green tendrils that seem to listen to your breath. For a moment you understand, this garden isn't just alive, it's aware. Outside, the stars wheel silently by, no sound. No soil, no sun, and yet life grows, not just clinging, but blooming. Zero-gravity gardens are the next page in the book of biology. They are not just an experiment, they are a revolution. A whisper from the future that says, we belong everywhere. And when we go to the stars, we won't go alone, we will take the forests with us. And in return, they will grow us a new home, floating in the dark, forever in bloom.